Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with a businesswithtrading.com doing a market analysis for Thursday, the 10th of March. Today we've had some news come out. 8:30 this morning, we had trade balance come out, negative 46.3 billion versus expectations of negative 41.4, and a prior reading of 40.3. Unemployment claims came out 397,000. Expectations were 375, and prior reading was 371. So, two big numbers worse than expected, which you kind of would expect. At 10:30, we have natural gas storage, which is expected to be negative 72 billion versus prior of negative 85 billion. And 2 o'clock, the federal budget balance is going to come out, looking for negative 235.1 billion. Prior reading was negative 49.8. And that is all the news for the day. Have to get ready for Friday. We have some news coming out: retail sales, preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations, and core retail sales. So that's Friday. Also business inventories. So Friday should be a little bit interesting. We already got the big news of the day out, and then the federal budget balance at 2 o'clock. Natural gas storage, unless you're a natural gas trader or sometimes an oil trader, that doesn't really come into play. And let's go to the charts. And what I have been looking at is starting to work out perfectly. Everybody who took your shorts, you're being rewarded here, and you should be rewarded even more. Last night it did come down here. It did hold 1300, even though there was a slight break. It did buy back up, and it's holding it. And it's probably waiting for today, so it can decisively break 1300 during trading hours. Now there is a chance that 1300 holds, and it'll break sometime between now and Sunday night, Monday morning of next week. So that's possible, or it can just go ahead and break. It is Thursday. There's not a ton of news out now. There was news out before the market, so it should be interesting to see what happens when the market opens. I think so. It'll definitely be interesting. This was the triangle here. So if you draw this, it's definitely broken the triangle. I'm not a big chart pattern person. I just look at the market and see what happens. Um, I've seen too many times where price comes down here, breaks it, and then just comes right back up. But that is something you could look at. But what I'm looking at is 1300 is the ultimate level. It breaks decisively. We're gonna see some ugliness, and I'm definitely looking for quite a run down. I've been talking about it in the trading room for a little bit, and I don't really care to make predictions outside of the trading room. I mean, I'll show you what I'm looking at. Obviously, this was going to be quite a sell down to the fourth leg. So, that was kind of obvious. I'm not going to call out levels and whatnot, and I'll do that in the trading room. But right now we're at 0.2 even. 1300 break decisive would definitely send this lower. So that's what I'm looking for. Hope you guys do enjoy these charts. If you do, please click the Twitter, Facebook like buttons. Of course, any comments, upper right hand side of the website is a contact form. Definitely send me any comments, suggestions, feedback, questions, whatever. Send to me definitely. Hope you guys have an awesome Thursday, and I will see you in the markets. Thank you.